Okay, here's the aftermath, everybody. Broke the nose off again. Luckily, we didn't do any damage to the battery this time. Pretty easy repair. Tore across the middle of the fuse. Ripped the damn wing off. So this is going to be some extensive repairing right here. But hey, that's a good thing about the foamies. They will go back together. A little bit of time. Let's see if we can get a shot of the bottom here. It got pretty tore up too. But like I said, a little bit of glue. It'll be fixed. So we'll do another update afterwards. Oh, what's this thing doing here? It's going all crazy. Okay. All right. Until next time, it's Will Done RC signing out. What is this thing doing?